Welcome. This is a beginner's yoga for hamstring flexibility, or for anyone with tight hamstrings looking to increase flexibility. For this class, you'll need two yoga blocks, or anything that can offer you the same height, like two small chairs or cereal jugs. Really get creative here if you don't have any blocks. We'll go ahead and begin placing one block on each side of the mat, at the top of the mat. Let's go ahead and come into our tabletop position. So wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And straighten the left leg, tucking the left toes. So begin to press into that left heel, almost like you're pressing it into a wall. So just a nice calf stretch here, all the way up into the hamstrings. You might even feel it a little in the glutes and the hips. We'll release, come to the right side, pressing into the heel. Release. Taking the left foot between the hands for low lunge. I like to come onto my fingertips and tuck my back toes just to give me a little more room to move my foot forward. And we'll go ahead and place our hands on the blocks for some extra height here, some support. Full inhales here. Full exhales. So focusing more on the breath, less on the stretch. So we're observing more, reacting less. When you're ready, on an exhale, go ahead and send the hips back for a half split. Peeling the toes up towards the sky, pressing into the heel. So we're engaging that foot. Feel free to play around here again with the blocks. You can begin to take the blocks forward in your half split for a fold or remain upright. Release. Coming back to your tabletop. Finding some organic movement here, just rocking it out for a moment. Stretch out the body, and when you're ready, take the right foot between the hands for low lunge. Placing your hands on the blocks. Full inhale. Full exhale. Continue slow inhales, slow exhales. On your next exhale, sending the hips back, straightening that right knee, toes towards the sky for your half split. Take a nice big inhale here, drawing the breath into the belly. Full exhale. Release back to table, shake it out for a moment. And when you're ready, send the hips down for child's pose. If child's pose is a bit intense today, no problem. Feel free to sit on a block or place some pillows between your hips and your calves. So just giving you a little extra height here in the hip area. And if you're feeling a little bit of a stretch in the tops of the feet, you can always roll up a little blanket or a towel and just place it between your foot, the top of your foot, and your shin. In time, the body will begin to open up and you will find this pose more comfortable, more of a resting posture. Full breath here, drawing the breath into the belly. You might even start to feel your lower back expand, so the waistband of your pants getting a little tighter here with each breath. And with your exhales, sighing out all that tension in the shoulders and the upper back. Release, coming to your back. Go ahead and hug the knees to chest. Big squeeze here, good hug. Option to rock side to side. When you're ready, planting the left foot to the mat, right ankle to the top of that left thigh, so just below that knee. Rest here if you're feeling a stretch, or take it deeper by clasping the hands behind the left thigh, hugging the legs towards the chest for a supine pigeon pose. Keeping the feet flexed here so the toes are up towards the sky. You might notice as you start to relax the feet, you'll feel less of a stretch. So we really want to engage the toes, engage the foot, just so we're getting the full benefit of the posture. Exhale, release, hugging the right knee towards the chest. Take a moment here, and when you're ready, switching legs. Left ankle to the right thigh. Rest here, or go ahead and hug the legs towards the chest, keeping the feet flexed. Option to rock side to side if that feels good. Giving the back a little massage, the muscles along the spine, and just feeling that connection to the mat. We'll begin our slow inhales, drawing the breath into the belly. Slow exhales. Release, hugging both knees towards the chest. Go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet. Rest here or open the feet for happy baby pose. Feel free to rock side to side once again. Release. One last tug here, drawing the knees towards the chest, and when you're ready, take the feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up and open. Taking this time to acknowledge all the work you did, to soak in all the work that you just did, but to also feel the body in its fully relaxed state, no stretching, no flexing, no engaging, just being here with all sensations, observing all and any sensations within the body, checking in with the legs, maybe even the lower back. No tension in the hands, the fingers, no tension in the feet. Just begin to soften the body. We'll begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. Maybe bending the knees, rocking the knees side to side. When you're ready, rolling to your right side. Take a moment here, full inhale. Exhale. On your next inhale, come to seated. We'll go ahead and inhale, big breath, drawing the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.